Two more former students testified to their fat testing recollections in the Aaron Thomas trial, as NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo reports from court.
I felt that it was my moral responsibility to come forward.
Two former students testifying against Aaron Thomas say it took time to process the naked fat tests they did with the former North Kingstown coach.
It hit me pretty hard because I was so young, I felt very dirty. I felt very taken advantage of.
I thought he was singling me out because I was a good basketball player. He was singling me out because he was trying to get me naked.
Thomas has pleaded not guilty to child molestation and sexual assault charges related to the naked testing. One witness flew in from across the country to share his experience.
I was really close to not testifying. Just felt like the right thing to do if this was, for the other kids that went through the program.
The other is the complaining witness on the child molestation charge. He says he was first tested at 13 as a middle schooler.
What he did was terrible.
Forced to defend seeking mental health treatment, the defense worked to chip away at his credibility, pointing out he didn't tell providers about Thomas and the fat tests for years.
So you knew that what was happening was wrong, that it was a sexual assault, but you deliberately held back.
As a matter of self-preservation, yes, that's correct. After decades of processing what had happened to me in that time frame, I believe strongly that I was in a position of shell shock, that if I uttered those words, they were going to get thrown back in my face.
Such as they have today?
Exactly.
The state still has a few more witnesses to call. That will include medical experts who are expected to testify there's no reason a person needs to get naked during body fat testing. In Wakefield, Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.